Whether you're a professional artist, seasoned enthusiast, or a complete beginner, storing and transporting your equipment conveniently, safely, and easily means you can embrace your creativity wherever you go, whether to the studio or heading out for a plein air session. There's nothing better than knowing you have the perfect brush to hand when you happen across a stunning landscape. And keeping everything organized makes it simple to find exactly what you need right when you need it. That's why you need the Daveliou paintbrush holder. This 24-slot artist paintbrushes case is made from ethically sustainable, soft, natural canvas and offers the perfect protection, storage, and travel solution to all your paintbrush portability needs. The unique, durable, and flexible design accommodates multiple different sizes and lengths of brush too, so no brush gets left behind. Unlike other brush holders, the Daveliou paintbrush roll is traditionally handcrafted and lightweight, with a soft upper cover that safeguards and protects your delicate brush tips and holds them in place during transit. The breathable fabric allows for quicker drying without damaging the brush tips. Just cover, roll, and tie to secure, and you're ready to go. Your brushes are an investment, and protecting them properly will ensure they keep their shape, perform better, and last longer. Why settle for second best when you can strive for more? Keep your valuable painting tools safe with the Daveliou paintbrush case, and do it better with Daveliou.